So here we have the IPv4 layout. We have the version, the IHL, type of service, total length, identification flags, fra- fragment offset, TTL, protocol, header checksum, source address, and IP address port, and destination and IP address port, and then option, and then padding, just so it takes up a full frame. When going into IPv6, we have a couple changes. The version stays the same, but we get rid of this IHL, and the type of service changes to the traffic class in here. So let's make that edit. Traffic class. The total length gets moved, but here we have something that was not in IPv4. The flow label. The next row completely disappears. And we get the total length, now called the payload length. The next header, which is important for the mobile, and the time to live becomes the hop limit. At which point, this row with the header checksum and protocol also disappear. Mind you, the protocol is also included in the flow control. And we double the space for the source address, which makes sense because we're going from www.xxx.yy.zzz to a hex for 4 fields. Being quite a larger range, and these are actually about twice, I believe, about twice the length as well. So it's massive space because we're going from 256 in each of these octals to 496 if I remember correctly. And the destination address also takes over the stuff that was after it. So that's how we turn the IPv4 header to IPv6. Now the next header is actually broken out to various information used for how to facilitate the traffic, where the traffic is going, and security type. With mobile, the mobility header becomes payload protocol, length, mobile header type. So that could be security. Reserved could be information for the security type. Then we get the checksum and the message data, which is what's encrypted. There are more headers that are included with this, but those are beyond the scope of this.